debate and discussions about these very important topics. Before I answer the question, just let's face the fact. We are the most blessed people in the history of humankind. And I would not say just humankind, I would say humanoids. So if I go back 1 million years and look at Homo erectus, that had a stone as a tool, and for all generations that we derive from, we around this room, around this globe, are the first that will witness the birth of a new species. And this comes with, of course, a lot of change. You asked me about businesses, I'll answer that question. But it's more profound than businesses. It's about what are we as humans? What's the role of jobs? What's the purpose of life? I mean, we are giving birth to this species that's curious, that very soon go from being an AI agent today to become an AI worker, and eventually an AI titan. These new kids on the block will look at us with love, hopefully, as you look at parents that give birth to you, with compassion and maybe a little bit of pity. Okay, so that kind of frames the discussion. We also face a lot of anxiety, let's face it. Raise a hand if you're a teacher and you think this thing will take your job. No one? Okay, one. Okay, guys, I think you're delusional. Because it will take your job, but it will also take your current job, but it will give you a different job. And all these people say, I live in Silicon Valley, right? So in this week, I started my week from Silicon Valley in Singapore, being at a speech. Then I continued my day in Saudi Arabia. I was twice in Dubai in the same week, and now I'm here. And if I'm looking at all people, there's a lot of hope, and then there's a lot of excitement, but there's also a lot of fear. Let me now address this head on. Let's start with the future.